All right, 1966 Ford F-250 4x4, but this radio install should be the same 61 through 66. My major problem was trying to figure out how in the world you get that gear over the plastic gear when the knob, that part right there, was still in the radio, kind of like this. And the next problem I had was what series of washers and spring washers made up the spacing to hold that clippy clip, whatever you call this thing, that thing, into place onto there in order to make the gear stay in place so it doesn't spin when you turn the knob. So what I did was I found out that knob right, that pulls out of there, just simply pulls out. And then that gives you the ability to put spacers and spring washers and flat washers in place to the point where that gear doesn't spin. And then you can get it worked in at an angle to mesh up with the plastic gear. And then you can get it put in place. Mystery solved. Scratching my head for days on this one. Didn't even have to go to Harbor Freight to get anything. All right, till next time, peeps.